Hello everyone! Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Fidelity SPAXX. In this video, we will walk you through the steps needed to invest in this money market fund. Fidelity SPAXX, or Fidelity Government Cash Reserves, is a great option for those looking to keep their cash safe while still earning a small return. First, if you do not already have a Fidelity investment account, you will need to create one. Visit the Fidelity website and click on Open an Account. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and financial details. Once you have submitted your application, you will receive confirmation and can log into your new account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trading platform. You can find the investment options by searching for SPAXX in the search bar or by browsing the fund listings under the money market category. Click on the Fidelity SPAXX option to view more details about the fund, including its performance and investment objectives. To make your purchase, look for the option to Buy SPAXX. You will need to specify the amount of money you wish to invest. Confirm your order and review the transaction details before finalizing your purchase. Once complete, you will be able to see SPAXX in your account holdings. And that is how you buy Fidelity SPAXX. Thank you for watching, and happy investing!